ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Today we will discuss what is the scientific base of Guru Mantra Ek Onkar.
18 मिनट है।
It is a first word of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Secondly, it is first word of Mool Mantra. It is first word given to us by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. What is its meaning? Its meaning is like this: how to be unified with Om, Omkar. We have to unified. We have to make oneness with sound Om, which is Anahat sound. ਅਨਹਤਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਜੰਤ ਭੇਰੀ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਨਾਹਤ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਵਸਦਾ ਪਿਆ। This is a word which is sounding in entire universe, and the energy of this sound has to be listened through our ears, and transformation will take place in our neurons, which is in our brain. The combination chemistry, electromagnetic graphy, bioelectromagnetic graphy of entire body and system of human being will change as soon as we will chant this mantra according to the technique framed for it, not only by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, but all the achiever who achieved Buddhist, who become Buddha, who got enlightenment, has been adopted and reached to the place of enlightenment, which is the supreme state of human body, are Sant, Mahatma, Maharaj, Guru, Master. All master were enlightened by the same sound. Whenever they believe and listen and concentrated on Anahat Shabad, universal sound, Ek Onkar. Onkar is fundamental Shabd. Ek has been added, which is in number, numerical. It is written in numerical form. Ek 1. Numerical form has been given by the Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was mathematician and scientist first and spiritual master thereafter. He gave this one for a unique purpose. You have to have oneness with Om. Whenever you will achieve or you will get oneness with God, that is the state of samadhi, state of godliness, state of fully blessing of one energy which is running entire universe, which is supreme. People take different names for this energy in different ways. In some religion, they ask Shiv Shakti, some religion they ask Amin, means peace. Islam, they talk about peace, peace of mind. Whenever you will reach to the ultimate state of peace, you will have oneness only. What is the scientific base? Continuously, every movement, air is going inside our body. Pavan Guru, Pani Pita. Pavan means air. Air is also a master. Sound is also a master. Shabad Guru, Surt Dhun Chela. These two masters are have high position. For them, those are trying to achieve God inside them. First of all, you have to understand God is inside you. God is inside me. It is a power, it is energy, but through some procedure, particular technique, we can realize that energy. And this energy is actually governing energy of universe. And it is everywhere. It is in every life. It is in every human being. It is in every woman. And entire this universe, each and every movement is due to energy. Due to energy. And this energy we have to realize. Once you will realize about this energy, you will have meeting with the highest consciousness, with the highest superiorness, rather to say supreme power, you can realize in your body mind system. Spirit is there. Spirit is actually spirit. Spirit is also energy. It is everywhere. Now I want to talk two carbon will emerge in oxygen, one oxygen, and they will give us 3 carbon dioxide. In Ekonkar, there are 3 strokes. 3 strokes will fire inside our energy. How? Whenever we breathe in mind we have to speak ek, ek, and stay for some time. It is quite natural we will stay for some time. Whenever we will speak ek, some stays there. Now I will speak Omkar. 3 strokes were there. Omkar. You see, 2 carbon in our body will join 1 oxygen and they will form 3 volume or weight of carbon dioxide. 2 atom of carbon will join with 1 oxygen and they will form carbon dioxide. Carbon is within our diaphragm. Near diaphragm, this exchange of carbon will take place. Oxygen will join with carbon dioxide and outlet. Whenever we speak Omkar. 3 times we have to release air from our mouth. This principle has to be kept in mind whenever you will make sure that you are taking breathe in mind asking it, and whenever you return back your breathe outside you are asking Omkar. 3 times oxygen will go out and 1 time inside pure oxygen will go in and carbon dioxide will go out. This is the fundamental scientific reaction between oxygen and carbon. This we know from the fundamental or elementary chemistry. Whenever we will chant this mantra, oxygen will go in and carbon dioxide will come out. Therefore, Guru Nanak Dev Ji were highly enlightened and they have truth. Now this truth is matching with another truth we know through the scientific chemistry of carbon and dioxide, carbon and oxygen, and it will make carbon dioxide. Both the truths are telling. Truth is truth. Truth is always truth.